Hello, today we are looking at the ARGB graphics card holder from EZ. Have fun! If you order the graphics card holder from EZDIY-FAB, you will receive it in this packaging. The front of the packaging is kept simple. Some product data can be found on the back. Now let's take a look inside the packaging. As you can see, the holder comes in a foam holder. This secures the holder well during the transport. There are also mounting screws and instructions in the box. The description is very simple and contains the most important information in English. In the bag with screws there is a spacer and some mounting accessories. Now let's take a close look at the holder. The ARGB cable is already pre-assembled on the graphics card holder. This cable has two connections and is permanently installed. This is what the holder looks like without the protective film. The black metal on the left side has a brushed look. The black bar on the underside is matte and hides the LEDs. Like the lower bar, the back is also matte black. And the sides are rough silvered. Finally, a short demonstration of the lighting. For this, I connected the holder to my BitPhoenix Dawn TG tower. I have already made another video about this. You can find the video in the info card. My conclusion: for the price, the holder is very good. The assembly is very simple and it serves its purpose. Through the slots the holder should be adjustable for any graphics card. So I don't think that there are any problems with the assembly on any graphics card model. So I can make my recommendation. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Here you can find another video that you might like. Alternatively, there are many more product videos on our channel. Have a look. See you next time.